If you watched the video earlier today, you will know that I was pretty suspicious of these cultured freshwater coin pearls. They were marketed on the package as, and I quote, natural freshwater. Now I have two problems with this. The first problem is the pearl is not natural, it is cultured. There is a big difference and these are highly regulated and you have to use the word cultured, not natural. As a jewelry maker, if I were to purchase these and then sell them as natural pearls, I would be in violation of FTC guidelines. This is why that's a big problem. The second problem was the surface of the pearl just didn't feel right or look right to me, so I was very suspicious whether or not these were even cultured freshwater pearls. I told you I was going to do some experiments, so here's the first one. I held it over a candle flame, and technically they shouldn't burn, but it did. So I grabbed one of my real cultured freshwater coin pearls, and I'm going to do the same thing. I think I held it over the flame for about the same period of time. I'm not 100% sure, so if I didn't, please don't come at me. This one looks about the same as when I pulled the first one out. I dunk it in the water to cool it off. And then I grab my trusty Haggerty's care cloth to wipe the soot away. Now, these are pretty wrinkly, so there is some soot built up in the wrinkles of this pearl, but for the most part, the soot came off really easily with no problems. These are a lower quality cultured freshwater, so you can see that there is a little bit of a singe that didn't come off, which is why I grabbed a second one. This is a higher quality with thicker nacre cultured freshwater coin pearl. Again, I tried to hold it over the flame for about the same time, dunked it in the water to cool it off, and grabbed my trusted Haggerty care cloth to wipe the soot away. This one was super satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. All of the soot came off in pretty much one wipe and no damage. So what's the verdict on the first one? It's still up in the air, but I'm gonna say no.
No. And